Happy birthday, Meridon. It's your 50th. I'm 49. It's July 10th. It's very day that makes us both cancers. Sabi nila, cancers are emotional and loyal. Uh, in our high school days, you roll the stage. You are our Miss is busy then. Now you roll the skates. I'm kidding. Balitaw, happy 50th birthday. And I'm sure you're going to be surprised by your children. And enjoy the day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tita Dawn. Happy birthday to you. We love you.
We love you. Have a great birthday and many more birthdays to come. Bye.
Hello, Don. Happy Golden Girl birthday. Sabi daw, ano ka sa pinsan? Our favorite cousin, syempre. Sino ba naman ang tumira sa amin ng pagkatagal-tagal? Hindi kayo. Love you. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Don. Thank you for being generous and loving to me and Kuya. We wish you a happy birthday and an overflowing of blessings because you truly deserve it more than ever. Happy birthday!
Muntik na ako makakalimot. Buti na lang, makulit ang anak mo. You are so lucky to have your kids. I wish you all the best. Happy 50th birthday, Don. And God bless.
Hi, Ate Don. Happy birthday. Si Ate Don, who is she to me? Actually, I consider her as sister rather than being my cousin because we grew up together in Green Heights and all three of us, I remember all three of us wear the same dresses which was sewn by our nanay, si Nanay Tilde. And I remember we sleep together in the same room and she told me that how she read my diary, but there's a secret that she doesn't know. I never write everything in my diary. So, Ate Don, thank you for always being a sister to me. You're extended family of the Nerida family, and you will always have a special place in our heart. I love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Don. We're always praying for your good health and safety. Always take care of Kuya Beck and yourself. Hoping to see you soon. Birthday!
Happy 50th birthday po, Tita Don.
Happy birthday, Tita Don. More sundo sa airport. Next time mag-road trip.
Happy birthday.
Hello, Tita Dawn. Happy birthday.
Hello, good evening. It's 9:43 evening here in NLEX. So me and my eldest are going home, coming from Makati. So Ate Don, happy 50th birthday. I hope how do you say it? Lahat ng mga in-aim mo, lahat ng mga pinangarap mo, you'll be able to achieve it. And I really know na lahat naman ng dream mo and lahat ng goal mo is about taking care of your family, about your 3 children, what else? About kay Bayaw. I mean, basically, the reason you're really striving is because you really want to provide to your family. Ano pa ba? Siguro ang maalala ko sa iyo when I first met you way back in
1995 or 1996 at Bang Bang. Yeah, that's the first time I met you. But before that, or prior to that, we're already having our communication over. I think during that time it's PLDT landline. I was calling you, then I was able to get in touch with you, and I was able to find out that I have a sister. Actually, it really makes me happy. It makes me somehow sort of relieved because for how many years I really thought I was the eldest. Then I suddenly found out that I have an eldest sister, so that I can, always count on. Anyway, just be yourself, just be happy. Always take care of your family, and always remember that me and Mona, Micah, Adrian, and Marcus are always there for you. And whenever you need some support, you can always call me anytime, any day of the week, any month of the year.
Hi sis, good morning. Happy birthday sa'yo. And masaya ako, nakikita ko na masaya ka. At nag-e-explore ka na ha. At lumilipad ka pa, girl. Sabi ko, hindi ko kaya yun. Ang galing. Galing mo, sister. Galing mo talaga doon. Grabe. So, maintain mo lang yan and stay happy dahil, wala naman tayong magagawa sa earth na to kundi dapat maging masaya. Okay? Happy birthday and enjoy your day, and I pray for your good health and another year to come. And yun lang, basta manatili kang masaya. Thank you sa kay Ate Madel din dahil siya talagang nag-effort nito. Happy birthday, sis! Happy birthday!
Hi, Tidon! Happy birthday! O, kala mo, sinong artista to, no? Ako, kaibigan mo lang to, te. Huwag ka magugulat. Ako pa rin to si Manilyn. One and only, te. Grabe, ha. Walang filter tong video na to. Tingnan mo, wala akong pores, diba? Wala din akong makeup, ha. Partida pa yan. Bago akong gising from night ako, te. Ay, kalimutan ko, magbibigay pala ako ng message ko. Ano na yung pinagsasabi ko, te. Kasi naman, ewan ko ba patong nauso itong video message na to. Lagi naman tayo nag-uusap at alam mo na naman kung ano yung nasa loob ko, te, di ba? Alam mo yan kung ano ka sa akin, para na kitang nanay, para na kitang kapatid, te, nakakatandang kapatid, di ba? O nga pala. Kasi, di ba, ilang taon ka na nga ba, te? Ako, secret lang natin yung kung ilang taon ka na, te. Well, te, ano bang wish ko sa'yo? I want you to be happy, te. I want you to be healthy. I want you to be successful, te. Kasi lahat ng magagandang bagay, te, deserving mo yan, te. Sobra kang mapagbigay, mapagmahal, te. Na to the point pala na nakakalimutan mo na yung sarili mo, te. Kaya, at this stage naman, te, please lang, unahin mo yung happiness mo, unahin mo yung sarili mo, te. And I want you to be, happy. Yun lang, te. Kasi, you really deserve that one, te. Tsaka, alam mo na, te, miss na kita, miss ko na kayong lahat, yung tropa natin. Lagi ko yung naalala. And, happy birthday, te. Enjoy your day, and huwag kang magbabago, te. Nandito lang ako anytime of the day. Anytime na kailangan mo ako. In all aspect, te. Sex life, financial advice, or whatever, te. Kung ano pa yan, nandito lang ako, te. Alam mo na yung mga pinag-usapan natin. Don't click it, te, ha? Alam mo yan. Marami tayong grupo natin, masyado tayong pinagsamahan at pinagkwentuhan. I-keep mo lang yan, te, ha? And, wala, mimiss ko lang kayo, te. Namimiss kita, namimiss ko kayong lahat. And, happy birthday, te, ha? Walang iyakan, te. Huwag ka nang iiyak, ha? Dapat puro tears of joy lang, te, ha? Grabe, ba yan? Di man lang ako nag-makeup. Pero anyway, te, ito kasing video message na to, nausap pa to, eh. Lagi naman kitang nakausap. Siya, te. Enjoy your day, te. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday!
enjoy and more birthday to celebrate with your family and your loved ones. And hope to see you soon. Happy birthday, Dom!
Happy birthday, Ate Dawn. I just want to take this moment to greet you a happy birthday and to let you know how amazing person you are. Your kindness, your love, and how amazing you are as a person. Thank you so much for the friendship that we built even before. Until now, we're still keeping in touch. Thank you for that, Ate Dawn. I admire you for being strong despite the ups and downs in life. You remain faithful and you remain strong in your faith with the Lord. Remember that no matter what happened, we are here for you. We may be far, but you are always in our prayer. I pray that you may enjoy your birthday. You deserve this bongacious birthday party because you are in your golden era now. So enjoy and have fun, and we love you so much. I miss you so much, Ate Dawn. Thank you for loving my family also. Miss you.
Hi, Ate Dawn! Happy 50th birthday! I wish for you, syempre, good health and always take care and always be happy. Kayo ni Ninong Beck. And God bless you always. Happy 50th birthday, te. Love you, miss you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ninang! Wish you good health and strong.
See you some other day, some other place. Happy 50th birthday, te. We love you.
Hello, Don.
Hi! Happy birthday!
Happiest birthday, Don. We're so sorry we can't be there in this big milestone. But always remember that you're always close to our hearts. And how time flies. You've been always a family to us since day one in UAE.
Yeah, and thank you for the memories and
the
friendship.
We miss you, Tita Don. Wishing you the happiest birthday ever.
And we hope your day is filled with love and laughter.
Happy
birthday! Happy birthday!
We miss you!
Happy Dawn! Sabi ko lang is sa very strong and independent woman na nakilala ko. And apart from that, din kaibigan na masasanggalan, very true. And bilib ako sa'yo kasi sa lahat ng mga problema dumaan sa'yo, kaya mo siyang solusyonan and lagi kang malakas ang loob. We miss you. Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day. And God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Don! We wish that you stay healthy always and stay pretty.
Happy birthday, Ninang Don. We all miss you and we love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Don. More blessings and more birthdays to come.
Hi, ate. Pasensya ka na, nakapangligo pa kami. Si ate Don, siya yung friend na hindi ka niya iiwan till the end. She's one of my trusted friend. Namimiss ko na yung time natin na lagi tayong anytime na tawagin kita na, tara, mag-inuman tayo. You're always, tara, lagi tayo nakikita sa bahay. Nang-miss ko yung time na yon. Ang wish ko sa iyo, sana lagi kang healthy. Lagi ko kayong pinagpe-pray ni Kuya Beck. We are always here, even we are far, just one text away. Lagi akong nandito. Hindi man ako makapag-reply lagi or hindi man ako makapag-reply immediately. Basta nandito lang ako para sa'yo. We love you. Happy birthday! We miss you!
Happy birthday, Ate Don!
From Mayon Volcano!
Hey, welcome to Bicol.
Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo!
Birthday po!
Enjoy! Birthday! Ingat!
Happy birthday, Don. Wala man ako dyan para makaselebrate sa birthday mo, pero alam ko na masayang-masaya ka sa golden birthday mo. Idol Kitty. Kasi
lahat ng problemang dumaan sa'yo, unos, bagyo, lindol, lahat kayang-kaya mong dalhin kasi guided ka ni Lord lagi. Napaka God-fearing person mo, kaya binibless ka niya lagi. So, happy golden birthday! Enjoy!
Hello, Duray! Dawn, pinaganda. Yeah, but for me, you'll always be my Duray. And first, happy birthday. It's our birth month of July. We are Jubilee. Yeah, bahala na sila kung anong ibig sabihin ng Jubilee sa kanila. But yeah, thank God na umabot tayo sa ganitong taon. And first, let me say my prayer to you. I just want to say thank God for your life, and I always pray for your health, for Beck health, and for your children. Lagi kang kasama, especially Beck sa aking panalangin, and I know na alam mo kung ano yung pinagpipray ko sa inyong dalawa. And God really is merciful and loving. He will honor the desire of our hearts. So just continue praying in everything that you need. And sa lahat ng pinagsamahan natin, hindi na natin mabilang yung mga nagagawa natin mula nung high school pa. Sabi nga nila, if you have a friend more than 7 years, it's not already a friend. It become your family. So you are my family. Kaya nila Manaying, syempre, and the kids. Yan. So, happy birthday, and always be healthy. Yan, sa lahat ng gagawin mo, iunahin mo si Lord. And sa mga anak mo, yan, alam ko that you've been a great mother. Wala sigurong, wala akong pagsidlan kung gaano ka mabuting provider sa iyong mga anak at kung gaano mo kamahal ang iyong pamilya. Especially in spite of, you know what it is. So, I love you and happy birthday sa iyo, and hope to see you soon. Yeah, sana pagka this year makapunta uli ng Abu Dhabi. So, let's celebrate together. I love you, my friend Duray. Happy birthday. God bless you.
I hope you enjoy your special day, Mama Don. Happy birthday, birthday twin.
Happy birthday, Don. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Don.
Birthday, Don. Happy birthday, Nanay.
Happy birthday, Nanay.
Sing.
Happy birthday, Nanay.
Happy
birthday, Nanay. Happy birthday, Nanay. Happy birthday. Love you, Nanay.
Thank you. See you soon, Nanay. Heart, anong heart mo? Heart. Heart. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Don. We love you. More birthdays to come, and God bless you more and more. Happy birthday, Bas! Best wishes and God bless. Have many more birthdays to come. Love you.
I love you, Don.
Happy birthday po, Mama Don. First of all, thank you po for all your love, support, and care. We're truly grateful for everything you do. And of course, wishing you a day filled with joy, love, and all things that make you smile. Stay healthy po and forever young. God bless at ingat po kayo palagi dyan. Happy birthday!
Hi Ma! Happy birthday! I hope you're having a great day. I know you are surrounded by everyone who loves and cares for you. I know I speak for everyone when we say that we are truly and deeply grateful that we have you in our lives, that we may able to experience the generosity and kindness that you have. Raising us three, ako, Ate Tyla, and Malik may be the toughest job you've ever had, but please know that your sacrifices are not left unnoticed. Thank you for being my rock, Ma. Thank you for letting me chase my dreams even when it meant sacrificing yours. I know I may not be the perfect daughter for you, but please know that I try my best to be generous and kind to others, and I hope that makes you proud. We may not have the best relationship in this world, but you always love us in the best way that you know how, and for that, I am forever grateful. Happy birthday, Ma! I love you, and I hope you're having a great day. Enjoy your day. Bye!
Happy birthday, Ma! I hope that today you feel very well and special. And thank you so much for all the blessings that you give to everyone around you. And I hope today is the day that you feel the most loved, the most cared for, and the most special. And that everyone in your life shows you just how much they care for you. Happy birthday! I love you.
I love you. Ice cream.
Say hi.
Hi.
My name is. What's your name? What's your name? Oh, yeah. What's your name?
Wait. Who's walking? It's Lena.
Show me. Okay.